What's going on, you guys? It is your boy JoshXBarber back with another video, and welcome back to the channel. Today in this video I have to go fly out to go cut one of my clients that plays for the Bengals up in Ohio. So that's going to be my task for the day. I'm coming back tomorrow, so it's going to be an overnight trip. Right now I have to head over to the shop to go knock out one client before I head to the airport to go catch my flight. So today is going to just be like a day in the life, a little vlog. I'm going to show you guys what it's like when I have to go out of town and travel, how I pack my kit when I travel out of town, and I'll see you guys when I get to the shop. But before I forget, if you guys are new to the channel and you're not subscribed, make sure you guys go down and smash that subscribe button and turn that notification bell on so you guys do not miss out when I drop any new videos. Let's get right to it. So I'm on the way to the shop. It's a little bit of traffic right here, but it was a smooth ride down the highway. My shop is like 15 minutes from the crib, so it's always like a little smooth drive as long as I don't run into traffic. Usually I don't. It just depends on the time frame. Down the ATL, the traffic is crazy, like people say. So I just pulled up at the shop. I'm about to wait on my client to pull up. It's almost 10 o'clock right now. My flight is like at 1. I think it boards at 1. So I'm gonna go in here, get my client fresh, pack up my bag, and I'm gonna head to the airport. But I'm gonna talk to you guys a little bit about my experience down here so far in Atlanta as far as business. It's been dope. I just opened up my bookings like 3 weeks ago, and I've been having new people come through trying me out every week. So I know it's only a matter of time, once word of mouth gets around and a little bit more marketing, just getting people to sit in my chair, that I have a solid foundation of clients. So right now I just been working on building that and working on my course I got for you guys coming soon. If you guys don't follow me on Instagram or you guys haven't heard me talk about it, I'm working on a course right now to help new and upcoming barbers, scale their business with just social media and just skill development. I'm pretty sure if you guys have been watching my channel for a while and you're a barber, you've been learning how to cut different ways. But I'm gonna go more in depth into my skill set and how I can really help you maximize your potential as a barber and just speed up the process for you by giving y'all some more tips and tricks on just skill development and just social media, to help with the business as far as marketing and getting clients to sit in your chair and all the extra things that come with that. Just stay tuned for that. So right here I'm shampooing my client prior to the haircut. Shampooing is very beneficial to the overall outcome of the cut, and it's a good add-on to your service. Right here is the before. My client came in and he wanted a mid fade, so we had to get him right with that mid fade. This right here is the bag I take when I travel with all my tools in it. I actually did a review on this bag like a while ago on my channel. When I go out of town I have to pick which clippers I want to bring. Sometimes I switch it up. These are all my clippers that I keep on my station, and y'all already know those calibers are one of my favorites, so I think I'm gonna grab those. Right here I'm gonna show you everything I put in here. I got my Babyliss Low Pro FX, and I have the Snap FX, and I got my calibers, and everything in here is what I usually take with me when I go out of town. This moment right here kicked off a bad day for me at the airport, rushing to my flight. So unfortunately I missed the flight, but luckily I got a connecting flight to Philadelphia, so that's where I'm at right now. That parking situation was crazy. Once I got to the airport, the 2 main parking lots were full, so I had to drive to a whole other parking lot that wasn't even attached to the airport. But I think it was because the 2 main parking lots in ATL has construction going on, and I was not expecting that at all. So when I went to the other parking lot, I had to go and park, and then we had to wait on a shuttle to go back to the airport, and somehow I ended up here because I missed my flight. But it's all good. I'm getting to Cincinnati probably about 2.5 hours later than I was supposed to. Luckily I was still able to get on another flight, and I didn't have to cancel the whole flight. Y'all, I literally almost made it to my flight too. It's crazy. Once I got to the gate, the door was shut, but the plane was still there. I knew it was over with. They don't open the gate back up if you're late. Even if you're 1 minute late, if the door is shut, they don't open it back up for anybody. The crazy thing about my connecting flights is that I end up in cities that I've never been to before, and I'm always stuck at the airport, so I don't get to explore, but I'll come back to Philly one day. Anyways, I also love being on flights. I get in my thoughts a lot when I'm in the sky. Look at the city. Touchdown in Cincinnati. It's always a good view riding over the river. Right here is the Bengals Stadium. Those games are lit, man, if y'all never been to one. Just made it to the spot. About to go in and set up the station. And when I think about it, I'm really grateful for this opportunity, especially from where I came from. I always tell people I used to cut hair in my parents' hallway. Now I got my own station set up in the NFL players' hallway. It's so surreal. Right now I'm just going to be setting up the station, taking out everything I need out my bag and getting it set up and getting ready to cut. Very minimal setup, but it's everything you need. Got good lighting, got all the tools, got a nice chair. Now let's get to work. So usually when I'm done cutting, I just kick it around the house, play the game, maybe watch TV or something. If we don't have any company over. It was kind of late, so I didn't want to order anything and put anything heavy on me before I go to sleep. So I just went and found me some snacks to eat. Got me some hot Cheetos and I found me some gummies. And lately I've been working on my course I was telling you guys about. So I brought my iPad with me and my notebook just to really, catch up on it and do some finishing touches on it to make sure I have everything like I want it. And then I will write down any notes or anything in my notebook, any ideas or just some goals. I try to stay occupied when I have a lot of free time. So you guys, this is the end of my vlog. I'm about to get ready to hop in the shower and hit the bed, man, so I can wake up and catch this early morning flight. Today did not go as planned. I missed my flight today. I got here later than expected, but luckily, we were able to hop on another flight and I still made it to get my guy fresh. I didn't really show him on the camera, just for private reasons. He had just woke up, man. He probably didn't want a camera in his face. But yeah, I showed y'all my setup and everything. Quick day in the life, This season, I've been coming down here once every week. Next time I go to a game, I'm gonna try to vlog so I can see the experience, on one of my weekends when I come down here and get them fresh and go to the game. If you guys like this video, make sure y'all leave a thumbs up on the video and leave a comment on what y'all wanna see next. And if you guys are new to the channel and you're not subscribed, please make sure you guys go down and smash that subscribe button. Turn that notification bell on so you guys don't miss out on any new videos. I'll see y'all on the next one. It is your boy JoshXBarber. Peace. Dreamers, don't stop dreaming. It's only a matter of time that it becomes your reality with hard work and consistency. I believe in you. Don't give up.